Welcome to MC Markets. In this video, we'll guide you through how to easily contact us, starting from our homepage. With our user-friendly tools and seamless functions, getting in touch has never been easier. From the homepage, hover over the About Us tab to reveal a drop-down menu. Simply click on Contact Us to access our AI assistant, Ava, and the Help Center. Click on Live Chat to start a conversation with Ava, our advanced AI assistant, providing real-time, seamless responses to guide you through every corner of MC Markets. And of course, explore even more helpful resources, including live representative support in the Help Center. MC Markets Help Center is a one-stop, seamless client support hub designed to provide an enhanced experience. Introducing the live chat widget. Simply click on the launcher to quickly search for the topic you're looking for and, more importantly, connect with our live representatives. Enter your inquiry and contact information, and you'll be connected in just seconds. Is the widget too small to read? No problem. You can perform the same search here in the center search bar, or explore by collections. You can also view the full article in a larger format for easier reading. That's not all. You can also follow us on social media. Just scroll down to find all the links. Stay tuned for real-time announcements, first-hand information, and much more. That's a wrap on how to contact us and get the support you need. Remember, whether it's through live chat, our help center, or social media, we're always here to assist you. Thanks for watching, and stay connected with MC Markets.